Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today I will show you how to download Adobe fonts in 2026. Okay, first thing that you should do is to simply go and open the Adobe Creative Cloud on your PC. So now, once you open this interface, you will see here this option, Adobe Fonts. When you click on it, it will simply direct you to this page. Now here you can search for a specific font by clicking on this search menu on top right side and search for a specific font. Or here you can see customized fonts, as you can see, and when you scroll more and more, you can see more and more families of fonts. Now let's say that I want to download this family. I will simply click on it. Then here you can see all the shapes of all the letters, and here you have this font. Also, you can simply click on add font and it will be added directly to your fonts on all of your applications that you have already downloaded, or even the programs that you didn't download yet or install on your PC. Okay, now let's say that you want to add the whole family. You can see here, you can adjust the text size. If you want to add the whole family, you just have to click on add family and it will add all these fonts inside this page. And when you scroll down more, you can see here the type designer who designed this family fonts. Now you can go back like so. Here you have some tags. You can choose between one of them. You have here the futuristic, the fun, the art deco, for example. You have the rounded. So here are the rounded fonts. You have some fonts that are in Arabic, English, French, or any other languages. I will add this Arabic font, for example. You can even select a language by clicking on the top left side and click on select language. And I will select English for the purpose of this tutorial. And I will simply search for other fonts. I will simply add this family because it looks, it looks good. You can even clear the filters by clicking on clear filters on the top left side. You can even change the shape of how you navigate to this page. You can see the images or toggle it off like so. You can only see the font like this when you toggle this option off. You can even click on grid in order to see them in this manner. Here I have this text. It looks perfect. I will add it, then click on OK. And down below here, you have some other more options in the properties menu. You have here the number of fonts in family. You can adjust by weight, by width, contrast, the standard or caps only, italics, double or a single story. Here you have more and more pages. You can simply click on any page that you actually need. Here are some fonts in Hebrew. So I'm going to click on the 10th page, for example. Here you can see more and more fonts that you can actually download any one of them, and actually they do not take that much space on your PC. Now another way in order to navigate this menu is simply go and click on Adobe Fonts, and here you can see all of your fonts. You can simply click on next, and here you can see all of your fonts right here. Here you have the removed fonts in this section. Here you have the installed fonts in this menu, and here you have the added fonts. Now, in order to install the font, you just have to click on install family. So this is a very necessary step in order to apply all the fonts inside all of your Adobe programs. So at first we added the font and now we are installing it in order to have it on our Adobe programs. So here I'm installing it. And now let's pick one of them, for example, and see if it is actually applied in my Adobe Photoshop or not. Let's say Robulk Mono 1. I will open my Photoshop application. And now I have opened my Photoshop. And now I will type any font. Let's say dry food, for example. And now I will search for the font by simply clicking on the font like so. Then I will search for it on the top. I will type Roblook, and here you have it. You have the whole family, as you can see. I'll simply use this one, for example, or this one. I will use this one. And here you have it. Now you can adjust it and do whatever you need. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.